Hello YouTube, welcome back. My name is Seabass and this is Throttle Hobby, and this is my BMW that keeps stranding me. But likewise with everything else, I finally got the part. From everyone online that's been telling me fixes the problem, I'm not sure. But the thing is, the last time I did this, I did the whole key tumbler and the electronic ignition switch. This time we're going to do this part right here around the key, which is actually what I have in this little box right here. Now this is called the antenna, EWS antenna, I believe. So we're going to be putting this back on that. Now the important thing about this ring, the one ring that rules them all, but the important thing about this is that this is supposedly the last part that I could put into this, because so far I'm going to be doing this. I've done the brand new keys, the brand new key tumbler, the electronic ignition switch underneath there, the EWS. So this is basically the last thing. So after this, if it strands me again, I'm really gonna have to do more research, but this is the last electronical thing I could think of. So without further ado, let's get this piece into there. So first and foremost, what we're gonna have to do is obviously shut the car off, because we just drove it in here. Put the key off to the side, and because we're dealing with an electrical part, I don't really feel like messing around with electronics today, especially that one. But what we're gonna do is go on the back. We're gonna go and disconnect the battery. And with the negative terminal disconnected, we can now get to work safely, knowing we're not gonna short anything out and or waste the battery and get stuck here and having to get jumped. So let's get to it. So once again, in order to do this, we have to get access into this panel. So like in my old video, I'm gonna blaze through this, but just as a quick recap, we're gonna push in that center pin in along with the bottom, and up top here there is a Phillips screw. So we're gonna hit all those three and then take that entire plastic cover off to gain access to the tumbler. So we got all that stuff done. What I'm gonna do now is go underneath here. I'm gonna try to use the cheap, easier way, I guess you could say. Try to pry under here as best I can. Like I said, if you're gonna reuse this thing, be extremely careful when prying, and it should just pop off. Come on. Oh, there we go. Cool. Now we'll just disconnect the EWS harness from it, put the new one in. Now with the new piece clicked in, we can put it on back. This little sensor will be on the other side of this little tang, and then what we do is we just press it on until it snaps, and there we go. We got a new antenna. So it should be good. Now we're going to put that stuff back together and then do some little scanner work here. So now with the new piece in, the old piece out, I'll save this for some other time. Hopefully this is the last piece. I'm now going to do an entire reset of the car. So first things first, we're going to go in the back, connect our battery, and hook up the scanner to the OBD. So I got the scanner hooked up, but first let's see if this biddy starts. Okay. All right, let's see. All right, starts beautifully. So let's put it back into the second ignition and take a look on the scanner. All right, so I'm in the scanner and I checked everything. There doesn't seem to be any codes in this vehicle. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go through everything, delete everything again, and then I'm gonna resync the EWS to the DME, do all that stuff, and start fresh from square one. And with that, we're pretty much back to square one. We've done the EWS antenna, We've done, oh, let's list it. We've done the EWS antenna just now. We did the new key tumbler. We got 2 new keys. We did the EWS system. Oh boy, we did, God, I'm trying to think. EWS, this, that. We tried to do a couple other bypasses. This is it. This is the last electronical piece. So a lot of people online say that this is the piece that usually gives them problems. So I'm hoping it fixes it. But if not, well, we'll be back. So will this car leave me stranded again? Well, I don't really know. So hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully this is the last little fix of this EWS situation. Hopefully everything's new now. Like I said, if not, I'll have to do some more research. But for now, this is pretty much everything I got. So that's pretty much how you do an EWS BMW antenna for the key tumbler. And yeah, that's it. So I'll keep you guys posted if this if this vehicle strands me again, or if not, then you know, we'll continue on with more of the BMW parts and all this other stuff. But for now, that's it. So see you later, YouTube. My name is Seabass. This is Throttle Hobby, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.